Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're heading to one of the most extreme and mysterious places on Earth, Antarctica. It's the coldest, windiest, and driest continent, but there's so much more to it than just ice. Get ready for 10 mind-blowing facts about Antarctica that will change the way you see this frozen world. Number 1, Antarctica is the coldest place on Earth. You probably already know it's cold, but did you know that the lowest temperature ever recorded on Earth was in Antarctica? Scientists measured a staggering -128.6 degrees Fahrenheit, -89.2 degrees Celsius, at the Soviet Union's Vostok station in 1983. That's cold enough to freeze steel and instantly turn boiling water into ice. Number 2, it's also the driest continent. Even though Antarctica is covered in ice, it's actually the driest place on Earth. Some areas, called the dry valleys, haven't seen rain or snow in nearly 2 million years. The lack of moisture makes them one of the closest environments to Mars on the planet. Number 3, Antarctica has active volcanoes. Most people think of Antarctica as a land of ice, but it actually has volcanoes, including Mount Erebus, the southernmost active volcano on Earth. It even has lava lakes that have been bubbling for thousands of years, making it one of the few places in the world where you can find molten lava in such extreme conditions. Number 4, there's a massive hidden lake beneath the ice. Underneath Antarctica's thick ice lies Lake Vostok, one of the largest subglacial lakes in the world. It's been sealed off from the surface for over 15 million years, and scientists believe it may contain unknown life forms that have adapted to complete isolation. Number 5, there's more ice in Antarctica than you can imagine. Antarctica holds about 60% of the world's fresh water, locked up in ice. If all that ice were to melt, global sea levels would rise by around 200 feet, completely reshaping coastlines and flooding major cities worldwide. Number 6, Antarctica has a blood waterfall. In one of the most bizarre natural phenomena on Earth, blood falls is a waterfall that flows red like blood. The eerie color comes from iron-rich water trapped under the ice for millions of years, which oxidizes when it reaches the surface, creating the appearance of a crimson river flowing down the glacier. Number 7, there's a mountain range hidden under the ice. Beneath the thick ice sheet, Antarctica hides an entire mountain range, the Gamburtsev Mountains. These peaks are about the size of the Alps, but no one has ever seen them because they're buried under more than 2,000 feet of ice. Scientists are still trying to figure out how they formed. Number 8, Antarctica once had forests and dinosaurs. Millions of years ago, Antarctica wasn't the frozen wasteland we see today. It was covered in lush forests, rivers, and even dinosaurs roamed the land. Fossils of ancient plants and animals prove that the continent was once a warm, green paradise. Number 9, it's the only continent with no indigenous people. Unlike every other continent, Antarctica has never had a native human population. The only people living there are scientists and researchers from different countries, and they only stay for a limited time due to the extreme conditions. Number 10, Antarctica has ghost sounds that you can't hear. The ice in Antarctica constantly shifts and cracks, creating ultra-low frequency sounds that humans can't hear. Scientists use special instruments to record these eerie noises, which are sometimes called singing ice. The sounds provide clues about climate change and ice movement. And that's it for today's video. Which Antarctica fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing facts about the world's most extreme places. See you next time.